Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Fiona and I'm a full-time artist. And on this channel, I like to take you with me on my artistic journey, whether that means working on projects here in my studio, going out to see art exhibits, buying art supplies and sharing my haul with you, basically any art-related content. So if that sounds like something you're into, please like and subscribe. It's one free click for you, but makes a big difference for my channel and I would really appreciate it. In fact, I think as of recording this, we are 3 subscribers away from hitting 6,000, which is mind-blowing to me that there's 6,000 of you out there watching. So thank you very much for subscribing. It does genuinely make a difference around here, so it is very much appreciated. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be taking you along on this week's journey to do the chalets here in my hometown. So I live in Princeton, New Jersey. It's just a really cute university town and they deck it out and all things holiday around this time of year. And one of the things that the local arts council does here is they put up 4 chalets in the town square where people come shop local artists. So you apply, and I was very fortunate to get a slot this year. So I will be there Thursday through Sunday, and each day it's open from like 12 to 6, so not too bad, but it is chilly out there, so I'm gonna have to be looking out my thermals. So I just did my holiday shop launch. If you've missed those videos, I'm gonna link them all below so you can check that out. And a lot of the preparation that went into launching my online shop for Black Friday is it was a lot of the prep that I would have had to do for this. So I'm fortunate in that there's some inventory left. I do have some additional things here like spoon rests that I will probably try to glaze tomorrow and maybe see if we can get in a kiln before the chalets. But for now, I feel pretty good with the inventory that we have. So my main thing is I'm going to have to get ready for my display. So what are the tables gonna look like, setting it up with the inventory that I have, as well as lighting, labels for all this stuff. So just anything you would do for a typical holiday market, I have to start thinking about now because I've always done holiday shops, but they've always been online. So doing a holiday market in person, this will be a first for me. So come along on the journey and let's jump into it. So just looking here, this is what I've been putting from the online shop into people's stuff, which is a cute little holiday card, but it doesn't actually have my website or anything outside of that. So I think I'm gonna take these out and reserve this for online orders. I don't have that many left anyway. And then for the in-person, I'm gonna give out my thank you cards because then it has my website branding so people know where to find me. Also, if people are getting earrings, this is how I will package them. So like my earrings, for instance, I'm gonna have them on display. As you can see, the backings don't have a little hole, so I'm gonna have to punch a hole in it so they can hang. And then if someone buys it, it'll go in a little plastic sleeve, and I have a business card which has all my info and that'll go in there. So I'll probably give people the thank you cards in their bags as well as the business cards. But I did do a little test run with packaging because a few people are picking up orders from the chalets. So I think we're good in terms of packaging things. So these are some of my packaging stuff. I have colorful tissue paper. Like I said, I had a few pickup orders, so I got to do a test run. But basically, most things will go in a little colorful bag with the paper and then a thank you card from me and a business card. So I can bring this downstairs. For the votives, I got these little, so in the chalet itself, I'm gonna have these, which is gonna be cute. And then if someone purchases one, I have actual tea candles here, and I'll put one in that for them. But I think display-wise, that's gonna look nice. This is all the stuff I'm thinking about having to take stuff downstairs. So the other thing I realized, like I said, since I don't do holiday in-person markets, this was my first one, is I don't have signage. So instead of going and getting something printed, I thought I could just make something using this foam core. And I have a bunch of existing foam core blooms from a previous installation. So I thought that I could paint one with, you know, Fiona C Studios and have it say, you know, ceramics, paintings, murals underneath it. And then I'll have my QR code and stuff just when people come up to the chalet. And then the blooms will continue throughout the place. So I'm going to take a look at that and create this today. And then, yeah, I need to make labels and pricing for everything. So that's probably going to be the biggest task today, is making signage. Signage, so people know what they're looking at and how much things are. You can see I have packaging and stuff from orders. I actually have 3 orders I need to package, so I'm going to do that today as well. But yeah, let me show you the studio because it is a mess. So over here, the 3 orders to package and go out. This is the in-person packaging, stuff for the votives, earrings, spoon rests that need to be glazed, more packaging, potential framed work and paintings I can bring to the chalet, and then all my inventory that's left from the online sale. So there's only 3 mugs and 1 thumb mug left, and I know that mugs tend to be popular, so sorry guys, if you're coming in person and you wanted to grab a mug, you better be early. And then yeah, I have 2 spoon rests, so there's some more here to be glazed. If I get it done in time, I'll bring it. Yeah, this is how many earrings I have left, so we have more to be done. Once again, if I can work on that tomorrow. The other thing I want to do is like put together a video of myself working on this stuff on my iPad to kind of have playing in the chalet, because a lot of people see this stuff and don't realize it's all hand painted. Like even my friend's husband came over and he saw me working and he was like, wait, you hand paint all of that? Like I was like, yeah, like what do you think, it's printed? I don't know what people think. Anyway, I have to kind of gather all this stuff and yeah, get it downstairs and packaged and ready to go. But yeah, it is looking like an explosion of art went off in here, which makes me happy, quite frankly. But let's go downstairs and look at what we have display-wise. So in the dining room, I've started to bring stuff out. I found holiday lights, so I have ones in color, and then I think these ones are white. I noticed a lot of people were doing the white lights, so I'm kind of tempted to go full cheese and do the color ones, just to stand out. Maybe do it across the roof of the chalet, and then maybe use the white lights for the back. But we'll see. Dan very kindly gave me his hotspot since service down there is not very good. And then I have 2 extension cords, or not extension cords. They have the extension cord. I have the surge protector so I can plug in several things. And then I have my square reader. So I need to make sure this is all charged up and ready to go. Then I have 1 pickup order I've brought down here, so that will need to come to the chalet for Thursday. And now we are in the basement where I've been keeping everything. I have a little fold-out chair for myself. I have this table where things could go down here. This is my seconds box for slightly damaged goods that people can get at a discount. I have ways for people to pay. I have stuff for holding little drawings. I also have this Bluetooth speaker. I might have to see if I can find something to charge this because I'm not sure if it is, but it'd be nice to have some music. And then, yeah, more stuff for display. And on this side, I have a way to display my postcards, and I have a few in here. I have a cute little tree, a wreath, another display thing. This is what my ornaments and earrings are going to go on. I have this for my drawings, and these were the foam core blooms. These could be cute as like, you know, just something to have around decoratively. I have, you know, hooks on the back, so yeah, might just be colorful and draw attention to the chalet decoration wise. We'll see how it looks with all the Christmas stuff. But yeah, so this is what it is all looking like. And I'm of 2 minds to try and do something today or Wednesday I get the keys. Before Thursday it kicks off, so maybe Wednesday I'll just go down there, set this all up, and it's literally down the street from me, so I can always come back and grab more if I need it then, and just see how it goes. I have a pile amongst all the ceramic plastic wrap of other decorations as well, so it'll probably be a combination of the foam core blooms and that. But yeah, I have probably too much stuff, which is a good problem to have. So I'm gonna step back and maybe work on the signage first. Good morning, friends. It's a new day. I did finish painting this and letting it dry, which I think is cute, which should work for the outside. I just have to get some type onto this today. It was bowing when I was painting it, but now it seems good. I also ended out ordering a vinyl banner last minute, just like something quick. And it says it should arrive Thursday, so we'll see. It was a Cyber Monday deal, so I thought, let's just go for it and do it. So I did that quickly last night. So things I need to do, that sign, I need to get all the inventory packed up, and I need to see if I can get a video of like me hand painting onto my iPad to be playing in the chalet, because like I had mentioned, people don't seem to understand that these are all hand painted. A lot of people think they're printed. And then if I can, I have a little Bluetooth boombox, but I have to find like the charging cable for it. So if I could do that, that would be nice, because it would be cool to have some music in the chalet. But yeah, those are sort of the to-dos. So nothing insanely urgent. I'm not feeling very well today, so there's also part of me that would rather just be sitting and glazing, but I'm going to try and get my energy up, get those things done, and then, yeah, hopefully I can sit and glaze for a little while. I'll see how I feel. But anyway, let's get the inventory packed up. I also have to ship 2 packages. Can't forget to do that. In fact, I should probably do that first, then come back and do this. So anyway, let's get the day started. So inventory has been packed up. There's a few more items here. And these are the earrings to be clear glazed. The spoon rests are clear glazed. So I have 2 more chucks and a couple of earrings to do, but a dog needs to be fed and walked. I also have to package up my paintings and things, but a new development has happened as of a half hour ago, which is my real estate lawyer called saying I'm good to go do the closing paperwork. And I wasn't planning to go back up to Bloomfield till next Tuesday, when I'm taking like a van and doing my official move out, I guess you could say, like getting my larger pieces of furniture. Like I've been kind of moving myself over, well, really the last year, just grabbing things each time I go up. But yeah, I have a few large pieces of furniture and I just thought, all right, let's just finish it. So my friend Jeremy next Tuesday is coming to help me. But anyway, that's beyond the point. I said, cool, can I come Tuesday? And she said, well, that's really close to closing because it's 2 days before closing. She goes, what if there's a snowstorm, you can't make it, and then you'd be the one delaying the closing? So I was like, okay. Then she's like, how about Monday? And I'm like, well, what's the difference between Monday and Tuesday? Like, is it really that big of a difference? And then she was like, well, it's really close. So any day sooner, just in case something happens. And I was like, okay, well, how about tomorrow? But tomorrow, I'm meant to pick up the keys at 10 a.m. Well, anytime 10 a.m. onward. And then I'm supposed to set up the chalet. And she said, well, 9:45 in the morning. So I'm basically going to have to drive up to Bloomfield, do all the paperwork, come back down, get the keys, and get started setting up. So hopefully I have enough time in the afternoon before it gets dark. So anyway, tomorrow's going to be a bit more hectic than what I thought. I thought I was going to have the morning to be in here and kind of wrap things up, but it's going to be a go, go, go day. But I'm going to sign off here, and I will see you guys tomorrow at the chalet.